What is outline shorthand property? Well, for our div, we can define outline width 5 pixels, outline style to be solid, and outline color to be orange with the 3 different CSS properties. But with outline shorthand property, we can even simplify this, and we can define all 3 properties in one line of code. Where first value for outline shorthand property represents outline width, second value represents outline style, and the third value represents outline color. Okay, let's see some examples for this. Okay, for this part, I have already prepared simple HTML document structure. Our HTML document has head and body, and inside of body we have one div with some simple text inside of it. Inside of head, we have just title for our HTML document. I saved this document like index.html on the desktop, so let's minimize our text editor. This is our index web page, so let's open it. And this is how our web page looks like for now. Okay, what I want to do. For our div, I want to define outline that's gonna be 2 pixels thick, style for our outline will be solid, and color will be orange. Okay, so let's do that. So first thing, inside of our head, let's define style block, where we're gonna define all CSS styles for this HTML document. Inside the style block, let's define div selector with declaration block. So with the div selector, I will select our div from body. Okay. And as we said, for our div, I want to define outline width 2 pixels, then outline style to be solid, and outline color to be orange. Okay, so basically we have used 3 different properties to define our outline. So if we refresh our web page, we can see that all CSS properties has been applied on our div. Okay, but is there any way to simplify this? Actually, there is. We can use outline shorthand property instead of 3 properties. Okay, so basically we can define outline. So for outline, first property value represents width, so we can copy it from here. Okay, we can remove this line of code now. Okay, second value for outline shorthand property represents style, so we can copy it from here. Let's paste it here. Now we can remove it from here. Okay, and third value for outline shorthand property represents color, so let's copy it from here and let's paste it here. We can close our semicolon and remove this line of code. Okay, so now you use one line of code for outline shorthand properties. Okay, so let's save these changes. Let's go back in our web browser and let's refresh it. And as you can see, nothing has been changed. But if we analyze our web page and click on the right click, select inspect, on the right hand side we have head and body, so let's expand it. Let's click on a div. So down here you see that we are using just one line of code to set 3 property values. Okay, even if you click here on these values, you can change it just to see how this will affect your web page. You see, you can change even style, for example, from solid to dotted. You can change color, for example, from orange to green, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is basically how you can use outline shorthand property to set all outline properties in just one line of code. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate to our PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.